Beautiful, yo. Look at that. Color schema, everything. This? Yeah. Look at this.
That's my favorite color.
This one, Papa?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
And we're heading in. And there are more like those here. And look, this property is walled all around, you know, a serious piece of wall around the people and property, you know, my friend. Yo, that bill up like secure. That look like, I'm thinking Andrew Holland still living there. God no. The house where we at don't have 2 locks on the girl. See? So anyhow, I not like, I still booming anytime I see car pass and stuff because you don't know who is who. With that though, can I get off her?
Hello.
What were you trying to do?
Mommy.
Yes,
Anyway, this is it for us, man. This is what the view is from the front yard, looking up the street. Right?
I can reach it.
And in front of us,
I can't.
this right here. The whole time I was here though, I kept thinking that somebody might be watching us from inside here somewhere. Because there's a road right there that leads, see that road that turns right there, leads up into this area. So really anybody could be up there looking at you and you wouldn't know. Right? This is the front of the house.
Say cheese, right? Say cheese.
Say cheese, mommy, so I can end the video. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say see you later, everybody.
See you later, everybody.
Peace.
Peace. I see you, Maya. I see you.
I see you.
Wow. Pizza, 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 pizza. Smiling never.
It's new. Yeah, it is new.
It is new, Mommy.
So I just went to go fill up the gas tank and I went to an Oasis gas station and they said that they don't take American credit cards. So I guess I'll have to do the gas in the morning on my way out. Which means I forgot if I left it earlier. The place shouldn't be that busy still, man. But you never know. Anyhow.
Do you want some more? For the oven. Baby and me.
We have everything we need, right?
All done, man. All done.
All done.
He's not done.
Don't finish all
So
of
man, I'll pack up all the same thing that she buy and I say, boy, come out with trolley. Trolley. You see brother come out with
Auntie Cutie tried to do same thing, water, same thing what she buy. And then I had 2 boxes. So I never want me.
I thought all that was yours. I was saying, where y'all pack all that up for?
Auntie Cutie have our food. Same thing, a big bottle of 32 water. And we couldn't take it out. You know, see, Akeem brother that live? The guy will bring out the same thing then.
This right here is the entrance to where we are staying at the moment. She says Akeem brother that.
We bring out this stuff we are in there in work.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's what Auntie Cutie did. So maybe we're going on that one day.
Well, the vehicle I'm gone out.
Money I have to make today.
So this is a community in which we stayed. This time I love this gate right here, yo. That gate, yeah. Yeah, I could do this in Florida around my house. But Florida have so much rules and restrictions. Your front fence can't be more than 4 feet. 4 feet for your front fence, 6 feet for your back fence. Or they say your back fence can't be, oh yeah, 6 feet.
Yes.
But you want to look down this other one there. It look like somebody built a fortress. So we wall off. So this is inside of the scheme, you know, my friend. Look there.
Fortress then.
Blood fire. Watch out. Yo.
The 2 of them on the 2 sides build fortress.
Yeah. All the houses in that lane here. Watch out. Watch out one here.
Me like this.
Yo!
Me like this.
Look at this.
Bumper.
I gotta come back down and look at that one. That's pretty. Let me bust at you with it.
My tapping. My tapping.
So those of you who are planning your getaway, your escape from Farron, because you're getting older and you know, it was always your dream like that.
The little porch.
Too much house up here, I feel like, yeah man, to be honest with them, I just like you who like people them host them. Up here I like up people things like me red eye. Shut. Watch it. Lock off. That's my style. You can't even get a prips in there.
You can't even view in there.
When man said my yard, you see what I'm over my yard? It's like you never see me wall yet.
And then they build more houses. Phase 6.
Oh wow.
Then I want to go park.
Daddy,
Then can furnish the park now though.
go to park the house, Daddy.
But look at the view. Y'all bear with my driving though. I'm trying to drive and vlog at the same time. I'm mesmerized by these houses up here. The houses up here are beautiful. This is the neighborhood which we stayed in, right? Nice view. But I'm impressed by like the gates and stuff. Let me put on window here, man. Let me reach. Watch this. Look at this gate right here. I just like the construction, right? I wish we could do stuff like this to our houses back home, or well, not back home, but in Florida. When I think of fencing the house in Florida, I just think about stuff like this. But like we said, look at this. Jeez, look at this.
Yeah.
You can't even see.
Yeah. Watch this. Watch this. Alright, so today's our last day here in Jamaica. This is the ending of the video. The place look away still. Look over there. That's all our garbage and stuff. But at least we bought some big garbage bags, and we're gonna like put everything in a big garbage bag and put them outside before we go. This is a whole grocery store. This lady went and got that she's taking back with her.
I know all the stuff when we go buy and stuff when my family members them give to me.
Asha, I know y'all like the calabashes. We got some new ones from the Rastaman Elegant.
Maybe this. Right.
This takes time, you know. This is very artistic and it takes time. I realized
Maybe this.
one time I was like trying to talk to him while he was doing it, and he never did too present in that conversation, you know. So he took his time and finished that one up. Beautiful calabash carving. So we'll be taking these back along with all this stuff. When we get to Florida, I'll actually show you the unpacking of this stuff on a different vlog. A different vlog. What's wrong? Granny. What comparing big girl? Hey! Somebody pinch me. Me mummer. Wait. Babe.
Yeah.
You're a good girl.
I want this one.
When you're ready. I thought she forgot about me. But yeah, can't get no compare up, so. And this bag. This is, you notice everything wrap up, right? My friend. Ackee and salt, fish and fried fish and... Now over here, so a bush, what you know say a ganja we are smuggle. All kind of bush, neem, cersei, this, that and the other. and she's about to pack them into the suitcases.
The alcohol.
It would be interesting to see. Wrap them in our clothes. Alright. So right now we're about to go pack. Very comfortable here though, I'll say that. You know, you have ample space. If you got a little family, you got ample space in here, you can relax. Entertainment. The TV works with internet and all that stuff, cable and whatnot. Yeah, so we'll get ready now. I'm actually gonna go build a spliff, grab a drink, then I gotta go outside and clean out that car. Cause we dirty up the rental car bad. Not that I couldn't bring it back dirty, but it's really dirty. I don't want to bring it back in that condition because I'm not that kind of person. You know what I mean? And that's that. So that's our last day in Jamaica. And the next vlog after this should be up in the morning early, leaving for the airport and heading back, landing in the US, driving to our house, unpacking all that grocery store full of stuff she got just now to bring back, and boom, that's that. Alright, hope you enjoyed, hope you saw something that you like, and thank you for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and big up to all the people that recognize me in Jamaica and that we saw along the way. Right? Alright. But I know, me feel tired, babe.
You feel tired now?
Yeah, me actually feel tired now. I'm out. I left this note on the table. It says the toilet seat is worn and needs to be changed. Don't know why my lens is fogging. The stove, we did not use it. We opened it. Alright. Yeah. And the stove handle fell off. Okay. Left this along with the gate key, the back door key, right there on the table. That's the stove handle. As soon as we opened the stove to put a pizza in it, this whole handle fell down. So I folded all the rags, put them right there, and left the stove. We never used it, and that's that. Alright, saying bye to this place, and we're on our way out the door. Hopefully we don't forget anything. go check my bags at American Airlines, and the bags ended up being like 500 and something US dollars because she packed that much stuff in the bag, and they're like grossly overweight. But that's okay. That's okay, cause we do this all the time, so we did prepare. Anyway, the brother gave me $100 discount, which at first him said 30, and I was like, I don't know that $30 discount you're gonna do, but I'm go back and say 100. So I work with 100, and it's good. So, anyways, for those of you who never been here before, this is inside of the airport. This is the Dallas Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and it's pretty packed. It's not packed on this side. This is where the bathroom is in Dessa. Right? So when you come in the airport, go left for the bathrooms. The check-in gate will be right in front of you, and that wife is gonna change the baby them diaper and these things. So I'm waiting for her while she does that. And as you can see, down there, they're pretty busy. Right? I'm not gonna do too much vlogging in the airport still. I just want to show you, so this is how which part with it. See? And let's do some people watching. That is it. I'll keep that one here short. Alright, next time when you see me, I'll probably be getting off the plane in Miami, and then that will be that. See? I feel, you know the feelings go already. Every time I left Jamaica, it's like a depression kind of state. Hate leaving, but we have to do what we have to do. See? Alright. Say what? Oh my God. Go buy that. I want to pick you up and buy it. Don't touch. Don't touch. So?
Yes. So you have any cheese? Yes. Yes, please. Here.
Stay right here, Kai. Stay right here. Don't move. Oh, babe. No. Only flaming. They're all flaming. Flaming hot, flaming hot, flaming hot, flaming hot. They don't like this one. The blue one. Ask them if they have two. Yeah, sit them here. You want me? No, you don't want to. Makai, get over here. Don't let me tell you again. Stand right here. Don't move. Milani, come here. Come, Kai. Going at people in place and pick up one apple and bite it. So our mother have to buy it. Kai, if I have to tell you again, I'm going to drag you. Come over here, Kai. Alright. Malani, come. Alright, so let's sit down on this side. Kai's in the airport, everybody. Where's his spot? This is,
Yeah.
yeah, you're saying goodbye to Jamaica. You're leaving.
Okay.
Yeah, you're going back to your house in Florida. Hi, Munchie. You eating patty?
Baby, I want your next party or I want
No,
to
but my phone. Alright, so we here. Calm down. We here, we're getting ready to board in a few minutes. I'll probably do like a small video on board.
Yes, time. You want more party?
I'll probably do like a small video on board and that's it. I'm going to do this just to show you, for those of you who've never been, what it looks like here on this side. Alright, 360. Oh yeah, they said, what's the donut place? Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts is on its way to Jamaica. I don't know if we'll talk about that later. But yeah, it's everything. So we'll drop our party that show me, did I watch it?
I just eat it.
Just I was staring at it. You ready, Pop? Eat your food.
Okay. I want some more patty, Mommy.
Eat what's in your mouth first. Share Mommy.
Okay. Hey, Mommy.
Can I move your head, please? Thank you. Play the elephant. So I look funny. I know I play and look like you need some help. It's gonna turn out to be nothing serious. Food in my beard. I should go give him a view from outside.
Here, Papa. Here, Kai.
Eat,
you don't worry about your father camera.
Look, there's an airplane. There's an airplane.
Melanie, where are you going?
You coming with me, mommy? You wanna come?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're about to board in like 5 minutes or so. I just wanted to show y'all like outside of the airport from inside. Malani shit all over the place. That's like this.
From the beginning. They probably got beef like that for you.
Good morning, my name is Nadine. I'd like to welcome you to the boarding here from American Airlines Flight 863, Mrs. Charlotte, operating on our Airbus 321 aircraft. Your current allowance is one current bag, one personal item. Please place your personal item on the seat in front of you and store your current bag in the overhead bin near your seat. If you check your bag at the gate, be sure to remove any spare batteries or e-cigarette. As a reminder, whether or not prohibited smoking, vaping, and consuming your own alcohol beverages on board the aircraft. We recommend downloading the American app to enhance your travel journey, and we appreciate you keeping the boarding lanes clear until the group number shown on your boarding pass has been called. If your boarding pass is not the group number, please board group number 7. To help expedite boarding, and the customers welcome to come forward at this time. If you'd like to check your return back to your front destination at no charge. Any oversized bag will be automatically checked. If you're not sure if your bag will fit on board, please use the bag size by the gate. before we begin the boarding process. If your flight doesn't fit, please see us here and we'll check into your flight destination. Thank you for choosing to fly American. We will begin boarding flight 863 to Charlotte in approximately 22 minutes. Thank you.
Paging customer Ann Miller, that's Ann Miller on American Airlines flight 2300 to Dallas forward. Please see the agents here at gate 15. Also paging customers
Come on.
Ian McDonough, Tanil Oxford, and S. Stevens.
Alright, so y'all get a good look at what it look like outside the airport once you get in. And right here, so where we at, that's no return after this. Board the platform and stuff. Alright, I'll see y'all later.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to Miami for the local time. 12:41 p.m. As a reminder, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Seatbelt signs will turn off. Keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and surrounding areas to ensure you have all of your belongings, like cell phones, tablets, chargers, and passports. Once you do step off of this airplane, you are not allowed to come back on. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful of items may have shifted in place. You may not use your cell phone.
We're here.
However, once you deplane, cell phone use is not permitted in the customs and immigration